Well, it's a hive of activity here this morning. Bob's just getting his bits and pieces ready. So it's pie.
Yeah. Don't see me,
Huh?
Don't see me,
I see you. The weather forecast today is for sunshine, clear skies. So we'll see how that works out. We're going to head towards Doi Mae Salong, have a look round there. The countryside there is absolutely stunning. As you can see, there are no bikes parked here. We parked them across the homestay last night. Just more room there. So we're going to go and get them. And then we'll see about heading off out. Should be a fantastic day. Again, sorry about the quality of the sound if it's not as good as it normally is. It's going to take a couple of more days before I get the new mic. I just want to thank everybody though for names on cats. Some very unusual names. My father-in-law decided to call it Dangmo, which is Thai for watermelon. So that's little one's name. And I want to say thank you to all of our subscribers as well for the congrats on 4,000 subs. Yep, we hit 4,000 subscribers and it's growing. So thank you so much and thanks for all the support. Really, really appreciate it. Right, time to go and get my boots on and jacket, helmet and head on out. Now I don't know whether you remember this guys, so we passed the Mae Salong family hut and it looks just like a ranch that you would see in the United States somewhere. It's a bit of a surprise because it's not the sort of thing you'd expect to find in Thailand. But so I've decided now to actually have a walk down their farm road. I can only assume at this point it's open to the public, but I'm not absolutely sure. But you can see over there they've got teepees. And there's actually a horse ranch here as well. There are horses in the paddocks and I'm going to go up there and show you a bit more of them as well. But there's buildings up there, so I suspect it could even be a very small resort. Now if that's the case where you can do horseback riding here, oh man, yeah, that would be something else. I haven't ridden a horse since I was a kid and I used to love it. Really, really used to love it. So yeah, if I could find a place where you can ride horses, come out here, spend a day on horseback with Pi, it's unbelievably good. It is a really impressive place. And they're not ponies, these are horses. Oh, they are unbelievable. You've got a horse range there. Back in the saddle, Village Hill. Now the Village Hill I can only assume is like the resort. They got a saloon over there. Oh wow. Again, you know, you don't really expect to find a sort of, you know, a Texan style ranch, if you like, in the middle of northern Thailand, but there you go. And this is another reason I love living here so much, because it just constantly surprises you. You can look around and you go, oh, I didn't expect to see that. It is truly an amazing place. Truly beautiful landscape though. I'm just wondering what Bob's going to make of the saloon over there. It's almost comical to see it, really. It's just not the sort of thing you'd expect here. It's just so out of the ordinary. But again, pays testament to what Chiang Rai has to offer. Well, Pi and I, we've decided that the Kawasaki Versys 650 is the bike to get. We can fit all of our shopping in those panniers. It's great for touring on, it's comfortable, it just does everything. It's a multi-purpose bike, perfect for our needs. You like it? We decided to come down to the actual saloon area, and it's got bar, Mae Salong river, cowboy camp and horse stables and a coffee house, but unfortunately it's deserted, there's nobody here. But look at it, it's just a fantastic place. Look at these saloon style doors, they're just unbelievably good. It's just a really great place. The carvings. Some really strange stuff in here. It's really cool. Yeah, Bob, that's it, isn't it? That's your brother. And they've got a bar here, though. It's
paraphernalia there in the room.
yeah, they've got Indian headdress. They've got a really old banjo there as well. Well, whoever built the place was heavily into cowboy paraphernalia, that's for sure. They even got a saddle here, look. An old saddle, really cool. They got a statue over here of a guy in the stocks. How nice is that? That's unbelievably good. I don't know whether his head comes out the other side. No, it doesn't. That's a bit of a shame. But yeah, they've got these teepees. And there's air conditioning. So I should imagine these can actually be stayed in. And then you've got the cosy house over there. You've got a cafe here. And you've got this bridge. The Mae Salong River. How nice is that? Wow. Wow, this is a pretty place. Horses everywhere. US Marshal's Office, Dodge City, Kansas. A truly interesting place, it really is. Just a wonderful place to be. It's cool in here as well. The countryside cafe there. The river looks absolutely stunning, eh? But what a setting, eh? Oh wow. Now I'm just going to go and see if there's anybody in this cafe, because there's nobody in the bar area. There seems to be staff floating around, but nobody's asked us if we need anything. Oh, they've got a cafe here, and they've got water. And they've got like this little shop, and it looks like it's open, but look at this. Oh wow. Well, I've just seen the lady, so I'm going to ask her if we can have a cup of coffee or something. It's got to be done. Time to relax. I've just got to go and find Bob and Pie. Well, Pie just asked, and it's not open yet, which is a shame. Unbelievably nice place. Well guys, we're approaching the top of Doi Mae Salong, and as you can see, it is breathtaking. Not the sort of thing you see every day, but so pretty. And Pi said that this leads up to the army camp. It's actually the cavalry division. Very cool. Well, we hope you enjoyed today's vlog. It has been a truly incredible couple of days. Bob came all the way from Bangkok to Chiang Rai to come and see us and rent the two bikes. What it did for us, of course, it helped us to decide on which bike would suit us. And of course, the Kawasaki Versys looks like it could be the one. It truly is an all-round bike, so a huge thank you to Bob for that. We've had just a superb couple of days. Today we were out riding for nearly 5 hours through Doi Mae Salong. It really was a beautiful day. Well, that's about all from Pi and I today. Whatever you do, have a fantastic day and stay safe. Don't forget, please subscribe, share and like. It does make a huge difference. And Pi and I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now, guys.
See you tomorrow.